Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Jade Finger Love, also known as My Old-Fashioned Enemy Thinks of Me Every Night. Chapter 5. So here it is. Let's read the story. The firefly silkworm, a special species, even the female official in charge of silk weaving, have never raised it. So that's the reason it was really hard to raise the silkworm, and now it makes sense. She don't know how to raise it too. It take 10 days to hatch the silkworm eggs, not to mention that the silkworms need to molt 4 times before they reach maturity. These days, silkworm die every day due to the failure of milk. These tiny firefly silkworms actually holds the fate of my future. In the harem, my lady, you have been guarding the silkworm frames day and night for the past half month, and you are almost exhausted. It would be bad if the majesty saw this. Mommy, you should go and rest first. Muyuan Shao is scanning, and I'm afraid there are traps waiting for me. Well, the old lady said, no problem, as long as I can continue like this. Now, it makes sense. Shuligan thinks that Shuligan fold this. He studied day and night, visited the ancient books, and poured his heart and soul into it. Will definitely be able to penetrate it, just like it is studying. I should be happy that someone in the harem can understand my secret. Well, it really makes sense. There's a lot of things just thinking right now. Well, is that person a man or a woman? Is she a good or bad? I have no idea. A restless mind is the biggest cause of mistake. Now, focus on your mind. All she can set herself, but still, she got really worried about her future in the harem. If this thing, it's really failed. If you can pass this level, everything will be over. All she can set at herself, but still, she was still hoping. What does it taste like? But suddenly, she realized something. Look at her eyes, suddenly seeing something. Most of them are died, so it turns out she really failed this time. But what do you think? Can she able to pull it off? Well, nearly 50 have died in the past few days. If all of them died before the emperor's birthday, not only the embroidery fail, also she's really fail. I'm afraid I'll be caught by someone because of bad luck. Now, her body, she was shaking. Well, on the next day, the empress, it seems that she was practicing the sword dance. The virtuous concubine is here to visit you. Well, suddenly, look at her skill. It turns out she really mastered a sword skill that can able to penetrate anything. The empress said she came for me for help after half a month, which is quite impressive of her. Well, now she knows that she came just for the questions about raising the silkworm. The breeding method of the firefly silkworms are central flames. Her Majesty, the sun is very strong today. I'm afraid that Her Majesty, well, look at her. She looks really gorgeous, right? Ask her to wait an hour before coming in. Well, you want to ask me for help. Don't you have any sincerity? So it turns out the Empress, she is really not in favor on the concubine Li, but still, an hour later, she can able to entertain her. Shanfei has always disliked me, so why did you come to my place today? I came to ask Queen the secret recipe of raising a silkworms. I have no intention of harboring grudges from the past. If concubine Lee needs anything today, I will definitely give it to her with both hands. The queen said, what you need, I don't dare to take your things. Beside, what I want, I'm afraid it can give it to me, but it doesn't matter. All she can said to the empress, but the empress, she seems to be going to tease her. Look at her. You're always holding like this, like a Kuan Yin. that your soon can touch, but I want to see, the Empress said to her. Kuan Yin fell into the mortal world and looked miserable and filthy. So, why will my sister give it to me or not? All she can ask her. But you are shameless. All she can say to the Empress. Now, her face, she was blushing. I thought you could came up with some words, and sure enough, forget it. I'm tired. Please go back. Concubine Shan, the Empress said to her. But Concubine said, don't go. Well, do you think? Is she going to ask her about helping her? Now, silently, she was holding a bottle of water. What do you think? What is she going to do? Why suddenly she picked it up? It turns out she splashed herself with water. Well, the Empress seems to be confused, and also she keeps staring on hers. At this moment, Concubine said, are you satisfied with this? Well, the Empress, she seems to be surprised. She's not expecting that Concubine Lee will do this to herself. Just, just give it a try. Now, it makes sense. She kept asking her again, what are the things that she really wanted to ask her for her? I heard that you have already hatched the silkworm eggs, but the larvae can molt, right? How do you know so clearly? The silkworms are naturally fragile and delicate and need careful care. They are soft, weak, and shedding its skin, so the silkworm breeder will feel it off to help them. Put your hands together, I'll teach you. The Empress said to her. Now, the first, moisten the old skin with warm one. Use the brush, leave in water to gently sweep until every part becomes soft. Well, the Empress said to her. Now, it makes sense. The Empress said, use your finger to separate the gaps. Oh, it turns out that was a tricky move. There will be a lot of mucus in the step. Remember not to use force. You can rub it gently, then go deeper. Well, did you understand, sister? The Empress said to her. Now, after telling her what to do, it seems that it was not really easy, but more of it. It is sort of complicated things. If you understand, let me see how your fingers move. First, with the curtain. Oh, she's really getting tricky. Not bad. Well, you're really well done. The Empress said to her, but Concubine Lee, she seems to be getting so exhausted. Did you find it, sister, inside the silkworm shell, the soft, new silkworm? If you can find it, I'll help you. But now, Concubine Lee said she found it. Just well, she seems to be not uncomfortable together with the process of things. Let's see what's gonna happen next. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining a membership or you can directly support me by Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye.